Stop doing JOD. Here are top 5 websites to make money online. There are numerous ways to make money online, but it's essential to be cautious of potential scams and prioritize legitimate opportunities. Here are 5 types of websites where people often make money online. 1. Freelance platforms. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients seeking various services, such as writing, graphic design, programming, and more. 2. Online marketplaces. Platforms like eBay, Etsy, and Amazon allow individuals to sell products online, whether they're handmade crafts, vintage items, or new merchandise. 3. Survey and reward sites. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research offer opportunities to earn money by taking surveys, participating in market research, and completing various tasks. 4. Content creation platforms. YouTube, TikTok, and Medium are examples of platforms where you can generate income through content creation, including videos, articles, and social media posts, often through advertising or affiliate marketing. 5. Online courses and e-learning. Websites like Udemy and Coursera enable you to create and sell online courses, teaching others about your expertise or interests. Please note that success in making money online often depends on your skills, dedication, and the specific opportunities available in your chosen niche. Feel free to pick one you can learn and start making money online. See you in next video. And don't forget to like, share, comments and subscribe to this channel for more updates.